Axial fan heaters are one of TUTCO Farnam's most widely produced family of heaters. These versatile heaters are used in a variety of applications and industries, serving essential functions like drying, curing, and warming. Our Axial fan heaters are available in 3 sizes: a compact 2.4-inch model, a 3.1-inch model, and a larger 4.7-inch version. Safety is always paramount, so we offer 2 options: heaters with a thermostat for high limit temperature cutout, or the added protection of a one-time use thermal fuse. Please note these are safety and not control devices. Regardless of the options you choose, our Axial fan heaters always maintain UL recognition for safety and reliability. Installation is easy, as these heaters mount directly onto square axial fans, utilizing the same mounting holes as a protective guard for both the heaters and the fans. For OEMs seeking a hassle-free solution, we provide units with heaters pre-attached to fans, delivering a true plug-and-play experience. In addition, we can customize everything from the mounting brackets to the wire harness to quick connects. Some clients even trust us to seamlessly incorporate these heaters into their custom branded products. Regardless of complexity, we excel at meeting every OEM's specific needs. Ready to get started? Contact us or use the convenient Build Your Own tool on our website.